So friends, yesterday we talked about few remedies of cough. As it is a cough season, we'll continue that. Next medicine which I use normally in practice, rarely prescribed, but I would like to share some experience on that, is that Chelidonium majus. Now Chelidonium basically has a spasmodic cough. जब भी पेशेंट खांसता है तो पूरा म्यूकस निकल के सब जगह जाके चिपक जाता है. क्लासिकल चिलिडियम है. चिलिडियम हैज a spasmodic cough. It's small lumps of mucus fly when the patient is coughing. Suppose आपका फ्रेंड खड़ा अपना खांसा फ्रेंड पे फेस पे जाकर कफ चिपक जाता है. That is classical Chelidonium. It is very similar to two drugs. One is Kalikarp, which I will take later, and one is a very rare drug, that is Badiaga. Badiaga and Chelidonium has same symptom, that coughs, mucus fly in the air when the patient coughs. This is in short about Chelidonium. Next important drug which I have used is Sina. Now whenever Sina comes in our mind, the first thing which we understand is it's a remedy for children suffering from worms. All complaints related to worms problem. But Sina has a classical cough. The cough is dry with sneezing. जब भी पेशेंट ने बहुत खांसता है पूरा ड्राई with sneezing, you must think of Sina. It is always spasmodic and gagging in the morning. And in Sina, the cough returns every spring and every fall. So whenever there is dry cough with sneezing and gagging, first drug you must think is of Sina. Of course, it has to be related to wormy complaints or in wormy children's. Next drug, a polycrest, but I have found useful in cough. That is Conium maculatum. In Conium, the cough is paroxysms and spasmodic. It is a spasmodic paroxysm caused by dryness in the larynx. मतलब वो बोले डॉक्टर यहाँ बहुत सूखा लग रहा है, बोले देखिए सूखा लगता है और खांसी आती है. That is Conium. सूखापन से खांसी आती है because of dry spot in the larynx. If you have cough because of dry spots in the throat, then it is not Conium. Then the drug changes. That is Actia racemosa. So when you are treating a cough, an acute cough, your case taking, your symptom similarity has to be very precise. Otherwise, I have seen people telling होम्योपैथी में कफ मैच किया लेकिन काम ही नहीं कर रहा. So dry spot in the larynx causing cough becomes Conium. Dry spots in the throat causing cough becomes Actia racemosa. And in Conium there is itching in the throat and the larynx. Patient खुद गया था यहाँ पे. Itching in the chest and the throat, not the larynx. In Conium it is aggravated by lying down and during pregnancy. Classical Conium is aggravated lying down and during pregnancy. If you get cough during pregnancy, you must think of two drugs more. One is Kalikarp and the second again is Causticum. In Causticum I told you the cough is because of rawness and soreness in the chest, and Causticum cough is better by taking cold water. So Conium, you understand, dryness in the throat which causes the cough. There is itching in the throat and chest. It is aggravated by lying down, and cough during pregnancy becomes Conium maculatum. Next drug. First, when we used to study Mater Medica, that this drug I never used for cough because we were told that this drug is a classical remedy for diarrhea. But as the practice grew and I started reading Mater Medica, I found this drug very useful. And that drug's name is Croton Tig. Now, Croton Tiglinum cough is a classical cough. Cough as soon as the head touches the pillow. डॉक्टर साहब जब भी मैं सोता हूँ, जब भी मेरा सर तकिए पर रखता हूँ, खांसी शुरू होती है. You must first think of Croton Tig. Cough as soon as the head touches the pillow. Spasmodic in nature. The patient is so suffocated that he has to walk about or he has to sit in the chair the whole night. Don't always think of arsenic. As soon as the head touches the pillow, the patient coughs. इतना suffocation, the patient has to sit on the chair the whole night or move in order to avoid the cough. That is Croton Tiglinum. Next drug, very familiar drug, that is Cuprum metallicum. Now in Cuprum metallicum, there is cough as if the water was being poured from a bottle. एक घर पे जाके बॉटल लेना और एक बीकर लेना, बीकर में पानी डालना, जो आवाज पानी गिरने से आती है, एग्जैक्टली सेम साउंड इज ऑफ Cuprum metallicum. You have to hear this sound because when the patient starts coughing in front of you, you have to understand कि कौन सा रेमेडी है. ये ड्राई कफ ड्रोसेरा का है, ये ड्राई कफ स्पॉन्जा क्या है, ये सोरनेस कॉस्टिकम का है, कि ये साउंड Cuprum metallicum का है. So the cough of Cuprum met is as if water is poured from the bottle, and cough of Cuprum met is better by cold drinks, by drinking cold water, exactly like causticum. But as I told you, causticum has soreness, and Cuprum met cough basically is in spasmodic paroxysm and as if water is poured from the bottle. That is Cuprum metallicum. But if somebody asks you, sir, दो रेमेडी आपने बताया कि भाई patient is better by drinking cold water, that is causticum and conium. If the opposite is true, the patient comes and tell you, डॉक्टर साहब मुझे तो ठंडा पानी में तकलीफ ज़्यादा होती है, then which drug you will give? Exactly opposite to conium and exactly opposite to causticum. Think about it. In the further lectures, I'll add to that drug. Next drug, very commonly used, I would say very commonly misused also, because we use that drug in our day-to-day practice so much that sometimes we misuse that drug. That drug is Drosera rotundifolia, a classical nocturnal cough of young persons in tuberculosis. The sputum is bloody and purulent. Classical symptom of Drosera is young person suffering from phthisis. The sputum is bloody and purulent. Cough is aggravated by warmth. Cough is aggravated by drinking. Cough is aggravated by singing. Cough is aggravated by laughing and weeping and lying down. I have seen in my practice in Drosera, if I have to prescribe, I'll see one symptom in modality, that is cough is aggravated by lying down, and cough starts after midnight. That is Drosera. Now you have seen dry spots in the throat causing cough, you have seen tickling in the throat causing cough. In Drosera there is sensation of feather. डॉक्टर साहब कुछ तो वैसी feather समझ लग रहा है और फिर खांसी शुरू होती है. So feather sensation causing cough is Drosera. Drosera I have used in few cases where the patient had distressing cough, especially night cough in tuberculosis. Very few cases, but I have found fantastic results in Drosera. So remember that feather sensation in Drosera. You have to know the finer differences in cough so that you can prescribe on spot. Next drug which I will tell you is again used in classical symptoms where there is chilliness, fever, body ache and headache. You must have guessed it. That is Eupatorium perfolatum. Now, Eupatorium perfolatum is classically used in case of chronic cough with hectic. Chest is sore. इतना sore रहता है पेशेंट जब भी खांसे Eupatorium perfolatum आपके सामने खांसेगा. Not because that is an old man coughing, but because the chest is so sore that he has to hold the chest while coughing. I told you in my previous lecture, Bryonia also holds the chest while coughing, but Bryonia has stitching pain in the chest, that's why he holds the chest because of coughing. Eupatorium perf also holds the chest while coughing because of soreness in the chest. There is one more drug which holds the chest while coughing. You keep reading. In the next lectures, I'll tell you that drug also. And Eupatorium cough is always aggravated at night, and sometimes if the patient is suffering from measles, the measles gets cured but the cough remains, then also Eupatorium perf is an indicated remedy. Or if you get intermittent fever suppressed with other forms of medicine, after the suppression of intermittent fever the cough remains, then also Eupatorium perf is a very good indicated remedy. I have used it in a lot of cases. You also can try it. Now before ending this lecture, I'll tell you one more drug which I have found useful, and I have used basically when the modalities match this drug, and that drug is Ferrum metallicum. In Ferrum Metallicum, see only the modalities if you want to use this remedy. That is cough only in daytime. डॉक्टर साहब जब भी सवेरा रहता है मेरे को खांसी आती है, एंड आई एम बेटर व्हेन आई लाई डाउन. सवेरे खांसी आती है, सोने के टाइम पे खांसी मेरी ठीक हो जाती है. एंड इन यूबोटेरियम, इन फेरम मेटालिकम, द कफ इज बेटर बाय ईटिंग. वेरी क्लासिकल मोडालिटीज, दैट इज कफ ओनली इन डे टाइम, कफ better by eating, and cough relieved by lying down. Now I'll compare one of few drugs with this Ferrum Metallicum. That is, if the patient complains cough only in daytime, you have to remember one more drug, and that is Euphrasia. And in modalities where the patient tells you that his cough is better by eating, remember one more drug, that is Spongia tosta. So friends, these are the few drugs which I have been using in cough. In the next lecture, I'll add few more drugs. Whatever queries you have, you can always ask me on my YouTube channel. Thank you.